welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I am doing a Rosalind PR. They sent me their new soft gel half matte full cover tips, and you do get 264 pieces. So I chose the medium almond ones, and they come in this nice case here. Just open it up, and there's just a little, description for you here. They also have how to remove and the usage and some questions and answers. And on the back here, they have the nail shapes and the dimensions and all that. And, just a little reference for you. So that was nice. And now inside, as you can see, these come in rows. So now all you have to do is just size them out. And I'm feeling the quality here. And they're really nice, thicker. I always say thicker, stronger at the bottom and thinner at the top. So you have, some good strength to your nail. And so it blends in nice and easy. So now I am just fitting my nails to the right size, because when you do this is like, the Gel X method. You are going to be putting product underneath. So you don't want a nail that's the exact size. A little bigger is the way you want to go here. And then if need be, you could just file it down a little on the sides to make it fit even better. So I did choose out all my sizes here, and they all fit really, really good. So that was really nice. And I didn't have to file the inside. So that was a big, big plus. I really, really liked the shape of these. I think they are just beautiful. So for me, every single, full cover nail I get, whether it's press-ons or what, I always have to square out the cuticle near my thumb a bit. That's the only cuticle that's square-like. Just double checking the rest of all these nails, just making sure, they are a good fit, and then I'll be ready to put these on. So the day before I filmed this, I did do a good nail prep, and I already put on a rubber base coat. So I'm not going to be doing any prep in this video, and I am going to be using a peel-off base coat. I'm using the UNT from Amazon. This is like the best one by far. I always have it linked in my description box. And so I'm going to be using the same rubber builder gel that I already have on my nails. So I like to do a thin layer on my nail and then some of the product inside the nail. First, I coat that whole matted area, and then the excess on the brush, you just want to slide off and use that to fill in this nail. So I did have some come out, which, always happens. I don't do these that often, but all you got to do is wipe it off with a brush, and then you are all good. So I did just do a flash cure, as you saw, on my gooseneck, and I just do the same process to every single nail, a little on my finger, and then some of the product inside of the actual nail. So you do want to make sure when applying the nail, you do a 45-degree angle. Make sure your nail is nice and straight and sidewall, and then give that a flash. So I believe this is the nail. I had a little on the sides that came out, and I just put it under the lamp for like 2 seconds, and that was enough to keep it in place. And then I was able to take off that product that spilled out and then continue the flash cure. So now I am using that white, to extend my nail bed area to make it nice and round, because I do want this to be part of my design. I don't want it to be hidden. So I'm just taking a little more of that rubber base on a brush and just adding some where I feel like I need it under my nails and then curing them upside down. So now I am using a nail file because there's really not much I need to do. So I'm using a hand file and I'm just smoothing up the cuticle area, make sure it's really nice and blended, doing the side walls as well as taking off the surface of the nail to ensure that whatever products I put on top does stay on. So I have this really thin file and I do like to use that for the side walls after my shaping. And after that was done, I cleaned them off and I'm just adding a base coat, you know, just to make sure everything is nice and smooth for when I continue this design. For my last PR, I got this really pretty reflective glitter set, and there was just so many beautiful colors that I wanted to get to use another one. So I chose this one from that collection. I will have it listed in the description box. And I'm just putting that over the whole nail. And this glitter polish has big pieces and little pieces. So I'm just using that brush to move around the pieces where I think they look best. I like to have those big pieces scattered nicely on my nail. And I want to leave the tip clear. So I'm just taking a brush with a little bit of alcohol and I am just wiping that right off. And I do the same thing for every nail, but now I decided not to do my whole nail and, you know, stop at the white, just go a little past it. And then it just made the cleanup a lot easier and faster. So yeah, like I said, I'm just manipulating this polish all around until I like the coverage, I like where the pieces are and all that. And this polish is just absolutely beautiful, as you can see. Really happy with this collection that they have. So yeah, I just do this to all of my nails, and then like I said, I go in with that brush and wipe off that tip to leave it nice and clear. I did go in with 2 coats of this, you know, just to make sure I had enough on there. And I do just want to apologize for my hair. I just got out of the shower and, you know, it was drying and I didn't realize how crazy it was getting. So it's going to make some appearances in this video. Now I'm going in with Rosalind's Diamond Top Coat. And being that I'm leaving the tips clear, you do want to put a coat of top coat underneath because that helps it be very clear and very shiny for your end result. So I do this under each nail, and then with my hand upside down, I cure it in the lamp. So I do suggest this top coat. It is really good. I like this one a lot. It's very affordable. So when I was done with that, I made sure to clean my nails off just to get rid of any loose sparkles if there was any. So as you can see, I had to put this in something to help me get the polish better because I used a lot of this. So now I am just doing a top coat over the top of all my nails. Look at how much that beautiful polish sparkles and shines. I love this stuff. It's so pretty without even a top coat, and then that top coat just makes it like extra. So pretty. Really nice and smooth for having big pieces of glitter in it as well. So I was really happy about that. And when I'm done, I just cure it up. So now it's time to put some bling on these things. And I just dipped a brush in some rhinestone glue and painted it just on the tip because that is where I want to put these rhinestones. And there's my hair again. So sorry. So I wanted just to cover the clear portion on my ring finger as well as my middle finger. So I just go through all these beautiful rhinestones here. I did get these from AliExpress like months and months ago, so if they are still available, I will link them. And I just recently found these, so I was excited to use them. They're very sparkly, very pretty. So yeah, I just get a few and just arrange them until I like them on that tip area. Did go through a few shapes until I was happy because I wanted to keep, you know, the almond shape as best as I could. So yeah, I think it came really pretty. I think these rhinestones complement the beautiful polish really well. And yeah, I didn't want to cover it up, so I really like how this looked down at the bottom. So like I said, I do my middle finger as well. And yeah, I just do the same thing. I just put some on, take some off. Here I am thinking about what to do. So yeah, both of these nails I did different rhinestones. I knew that I wanted it to be different, a different look for each finger. So I got these arranged and then I cured these two nails for a full 60. There was this big, gorgeous, like round square kind of rhinestone in this pack, and I really wanted to use it, so I just plopped that in the middle of my thumb, and I love this thumb. So for my other two fingers at the top, I just put a little like horse eye rhinestone. After I cured those all up, it's time to add some cuticle oil, make these fingers look good again, and here is the end result. I love these. I know I basically say that in every video, but obviously I do nails that I like. I think these are so pretty. The diamonds are just gorgeous. The polish is amazing. I'm so happy I got to use it again so fast. These nails were so good. I hardly had to do any filing to them, really. They were just really good, nice and strong. Love the shape. So thank you to Rosalind for letting me try these out. I really recommend them, and right now they are 40% off on Amazon, and I will have the link to buy these in my description box. And these are just gorgeous polishes, great nails, great top coat. I love Rosalind. You should definitely check it out if you never have. And so yeah, just thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.